Why would a beautiful house give you an inferiority complex? It only does if you want it and think you can't have it. Inferiority complexes are funny things. Doing the work with a client a few weeks ago, we made an interesting discovery about inferiority complexes. We were working the concept, she doesn't like me, in an awkward social situation. My client wanted to connect with this person that she admired, but didn't know so well. Instead, she felt very self-conscious and excluded. The inferiority complex in that situation was a reaction to what she was believing, and it became clear why. Admiring someone feels good. There's no stress in that. But wanting something from them, that's stressful. By wanting the woman to like her and engage in conversation with her, she put herself in a more needy, dependent space. And naturally, she stopped respecting herself. She couldn't respect herself when she was wanting or needing or feeling desperate. So the natural result was an inferiority complex. She felt less than. Not because she was less than in any real way, but because she was acting in a less than kind of way internally by wanting attention so badly. So an inferiority complex is a kind of temple bell. Whenever you feel an inferiority complex coming on, it's a sign that you're wanting something. You've stepped out of contentment and into some flavor of desperation. It's a temple bell calling you to come back to self-inquiry. It's an invitation to write down what you're wanting and question if it's really true that you want it or need it. When my client questioned, I want her to be interested in me and turned it around and found examples of the turnarounds, the desperate feeling shifted. So when you feel an inferiority complex in any situation, it's just an opportunity to notice what you're wanting and to do the work on it. And a simple quote from Byron Katie's book, Loving What Is, what do you want from him? And I've heard Byron Katie say this in some of her presentations, and it's always stuck with me and resonated with me that there can be no stress without a want. So look for the want. The want is a wonderful thing to question.